Every night, millions of people sleep, hoping for a better tomorrow. Every morning, we get them a step closer to that. We run your kitchens, get your vehicles going, and we power your factories. We are Green Future and Ambassador of Green Environment. We are Mahanagar Gas Limited. At MGL, our vision is to provide consumers with eco-friendly, safe, efficient and reliable energy, coupled with a strong mission of growing businesses and ushering in a greener future. MGL is supplying PNG and CNG to Mumbai, Thane, Mira Bhayandar, Bhiwandi, Kalyan, Dombivli, Ambernath, Badlapur, Navi Mumbai, Panvel and Raigad district. As an ISO and OSA certified organization with over 25 years of experience, we at MGL, each of us understands the profound impact that energy has in the way we live, grow and advance. And together, we enable you to navigate the ever-changing landscape, achieving more and connecting the world with the power of energy. To maximize its reach and secure the supply network across the metropolis, MGL has set up 4 city gate stations at strategic locations: Badala, Mahape, Taloja and Ambernath. Today, home, commercial kitchens, as well as various industries are switching to PNG because of the various advantages it offers.
It has been a wonderful journey with a seamless and dedicated experience offered by Mahanagar Gas Limited.
I reflect our association with MGL way back in 2003. After getting the PNG, we found that our LPG storage has reduced from 50 tons to hardly 10 tons.
Just as homes and industries are switching to PNG, more and more public transport as well as private vehicles are using CNG supplied by MGL. For Mahanagar Gas Limited, safety always comes at the forefront. PNG and CNG awareness sessions are regularly conducted to create a safe environment for the customers. At MGL, everyone has a duty and responsibility to ensure that life-saving rules are followed. The other important security measures taken by MGL are various checkpoints throughout the city, GIS mapping of the entire pipeline network, security control room, vehicle tracking system in LCV, and continuous pipeline surveillance through motorbikes. Moreover, along with an in-house emergency control room functional round the clock, Mahanagar Gas Limited has deployed 24/7 operational emergency response vehicles placed at strategic locations to ensure safe and reliable operations of its network. At MGL, our customers are at the center of what we do. For customers' convenience, the company has taken several customer-friendly initiatives for reaching out to us through various modes, be it for sending their PNG meter readings or for payment options. With the objective of providing a hassle-free and smooth customer experience, MGL launched MGL Fuel Card. MGL's futuristic approach is the engine that drives our innovation, which comes from studying and understanding the problem and finding a creative solution with the help of advanced technology. For a seamless supply chain management, MGL has state-of-the-art stores at Taloja. In another breakthrough innovation initiative, MGL used HDD machines in Durgadi Creek for connecting Bhiwandi and Kalyan area. For customers' convenience, MGL in partnership with builders launched reticulated business model for providing PNG connection to under construction premises before the residents move in.
रेटिकुलेटेड बिजनेस मॉडल है, उसके तहत हमने हमारे इस वन विघ्ना पार्क के अंदर पाइप नेचुरल गैस प्रोवाइड करी और हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट ये था कि जितने भी हमारे क्लाइंट्स हैं उनको पोजीशन से पहले हम ये पाइप नेचुरल गैस उनको प्रोवाइड कर दें।
With a constantly expanding energy infrastructure, MGL has set new goals for itself, diversifying into LNG transportation and expansion being few among the others. Our efforts have reaped us awards, industry recognition for our safe environment-friendly community initiatives.
Our incredible journey is a testimony of the vision, entrepreneurial spirit, and commitment that the company fosters. While we continue to expand our core business, we are also reinventing our business strategy to effectively capitalize on the opportunities that are emerging with the changing times.
MGL, through its community outreach programs and initiatives, continues to contribute and focus on education, environment, and empowerment, thereby fostering the philosophy of taking care of the community for a sustainable tomorrow. Thus, being true to its tagline, Indhan Haryali Ka, MGL has been empowering people's lives by unlocking the power of green energy, leading us into the future.